We are now on our way to the Mosquito Waterfall. Oh, I woke up with crazy sickness, nasally, coughing. Feels a little feverish, but I'm still here. I also forgot my razor, so I got my little Cantinflas mustache. Still feel horrible. Whoop. Tom Cruise! Tom Cruise! So funny. I love that guy. That is very pretty though. So it looks like we're descending this. So we can get to this little part over here. Where are you? That's part of the waterfall. I hear the waterfall more this way, but oh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna take off my shirt. I hope the sun makes me feel a little better. I feel horrible. All right, now we start the trek down. Look at that. I'm feeling like crap right now, but it's okay because we're about to hop in the water. And I swear every single time I hop in the water, I feel like a new person. Whoa. My joints feeling a little horrible. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Man. I'm not as chatty today because this sickness has gotten worse and worse and worse over like a 3-4 day span. Oh, I really think this is worth it though. Look at that. That is beautiful. Woo! I'm gonna create a little hammock that goes from there to there. Little break. There's a little cave here. I think we're almost there. Let's go. Okay. Oh, whoa. I should be more aware. Oh, this is cool. That's really pretty. Look at that. Woo! I don't know if you can see that up there. That is quite magnificent. Whoa! Everyone's over here posing. It's crazy. You can barely see these guys. They look so fucking cool. Oh my god. I just tried going through that.
I can tell you where is the best.
It was the close one. I am gonna put my camera away because capturing how beautiful this waterfall is not worth my camera. But that was so beautiful. So that was a little bit of a journey. I didn't even hop in. As you can see, I'm soaking. That was really cool. I want to show you all a little bit of the waterfall, but I can't get too close because I am not going to risk my camera for it. That is the beauty of it. What'd you think of the waterfall?
It was amazing. Unlike any other place I've ever been.
Yeah, this is like the first real waterfall I've ever seen. Chat, are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging. Are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging too.
Vlogception, chat.
Look at these Americans taking their photos.
My camera's definitely better than Gabe's camera though. Yeah, look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Tom Cruise! Todo bem? I did some terrible things for photos today. By that I mean I fell a couple times. Nah, I got some pretty cool ones. Thank you. Tom Cruise! Vamos! Let's go, that is so majestic. We just took some pretty cool photos with that stick right there. Right there. Oh, goodness. Whew. No. Don't zoom in more. I'm sick. These aren't my glasses. They're one of my classmates. I decided to wear them. So I give them back to him. I was one of the coolest waterfalls I've seen. No, it's the coolest waterfall I've seen. So I brought my camera out, but I couldn't take it too close to the waterfall because the water from the waterfall was hitting my camera. So I was like, no. And in an attempt to save everything, I just put my camera away and took some cool pics with my phone. These photos look super cool, super fire flame. I'm feeling a little more rejuvenated. Something about that stick brought out the primal nature within me. Let's go, Barbs. Me and Barbs.
Hey.
Killing this uphill trail.
True.
We're not the last three.
Yeah, well.
No, we're not. You can't tell the viewers that. Just thought this view was a little pretty. Waterfall there. Then we have the scenery. Alright. I think we're done with the hike. This was the trail. Tom Cruise! Isso! How's the view down there?
Very good.
Very good. Ooh, this looks like a cool photo. I'm gonna take this photo of him. Oi. Whoa! That's insane. That's where we were just at. Back to civilization. Time to get on the bus. Honk that horn!